Hello everyone, welcome to this complete data entry course. Today I am going to teach you everything from zero to hero. Data entry is simply the process of typing or formatting data into a computer system. It is very important for every business. Importance of accuracy. Why is it important? Because companies need accurate records. Avoiding mistakes is key to getting high quality results. Where to find jobs? Where can you work? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork have many easy data entry gigs. Master this first page and you start your journey. Data entry in Excel. Excel is the most popular spreadsheet software. It organizes data in rows and columns. Rows and columns. You must understand the structure of rows, columns, and headers. Cells. Each small box is a cell with its own unique address where you type data. Formulas. You can use simple formulas like sum and average to calculate data easily. Charts. And you can use charts to visualize your findings. Master Excel and you master 80% of data entry jobs. Speed and accuracy. Data entry speed and accuracy. Typing speed. Your typing speed is critical. Practice daily using tools like touch typing to improve. Shortcuts. Learn useful shortcuts like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. These save a lot of time. Review data. Always review your data for errors. Verification is step 1. Organize workshop. Keep a clean and efficient workshop. Stay focused. Stay focused and avoid distractions. Speed plus accuracy equals success. Data entry freelance gigs. Type of gigs. You can offer easy gigs like project listening, email scraping, and data formatting. Fiverr and Upwork. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start. Create a professional profile and start viewed. Client communication. When communicating with clients, be professional and clear. Build portfolio. Showcase your best work in your portfolio. Get paid and don't forget to withdraw your earnings. Millions of you wait for you. Data entry tools. MS Office. Master Microsoft Office, especially Excel and Word. Google Workforce. Also become familiar with Google Workspace. Sheets and documents are very popular. PDF tools. Now how to convert and edit PDF tools. Internet browser. Learn how to search the internet effectively and manage tabs. Communication tools. Understand basic email and messaging tools. These are the key software to work from home. Follow these 5 lessons and you can easily earn $500 monthly from home. This is step 1 of your data entry career. Subscribe for step 2. Thank you and good luck.